Hi, my name is Jake Rhodes, and I'm coming at you live from the ADJ booth at NAMM 2019 in the Anaheim Convention Center, and I'm bringing you the new unit, ADJ Contour. The ADJ Contour is a modern mirror ball star ball effect light with multiple color beams. This unit has 36 lenses powered from 27 1.5 watt RGB LEDs pumping out a 25-degree beam angle. It can be controlled by DMX through its 3-pin connectors or standalone or sound active modes. It's powered through an Iec Cable and it has Edison power out for easy unit linking. This unit is perfect for mobile DJs all the way to pro level event grade applications. For more information, go to adj.com.